The JBL Club 960C component speakers are praised for offering big sound at a relatively affordable price. But before you buy, it's important to know what really happens after the honeymoon phase ends. Today on Auto and Moto, we're breaking down 5 key things they won't tell you about the JBL Club 960C. First, they're extremely sensitive to installation quality. The 960C's potential is only unlocked with careful placement, perfect sealing, and proper sound deadening. If you drop them into factory doors without prepping the area, you'll get rattles, hollow sound, and poor mid-bass, wasting the true performance these speakers could offer. Second, they demand strong amplification. While technically compatible with head units, the 960C only truly shines when powered by a quality aftermarket amplifier. If you rely on deck power alone, you'll get weak dynamics, compressed highs, and bass that barely moves air. Third, highs can get aggressive. The edge-driven tweeters produce clean highs, but they can easily become harsh and fatiguing, especially without a well-tuned EQ. If your system doesn't allow for fine high-frequency adjustments, you might find long drives exhausting rather than enjoyable. Fourth, low-end output is weaker than expected. Despite solid construction, the 6x9 midwoofers don't deliver the deep, rich bass many users hope for in this size class. Without a dedicated subwoofer to support them, your system can sound overly bright and mid-focused, missing the low-end impact that brings music to life. Fifth, better balanced alternatives are now available. Brands like Morel, Hertz, and even Infinity offer component sets at similar prices that achieve a more balanced, smoother sound across the entire frequency range. When comparing real-world performance, the 960C sometimes feels overly aggressive and thin without heavy system tuning. In conclusion, while the JBL Club 960C can deliver impressive clarity and volume when installed and tuned correctly, real-world limitations in bass response, power dependency, and tuning sensitivity make them less plug-and-play than many buyers expect. If you're aiming for balanced, fatigue-free sound, think carefully before committing.